TikTok filters pick my Halloween makeup. Let's do it. First up, we got eyebrows. Let's see what it picks. Just filling in the hair strokes. Next up, we got eyeshadow. Red. Adding this red base all over my eyelid and blending out the edges. I'm gonna bring it on my lower lash line and create some eye bags. My favourite part, the spooky freckles. Please be something red. Ugh. Let's add some shadow to the nose first. Adding some black freckles, white freckles. So I've drawn out the spider shapes. Now I'm just filling them in with black. Adding the little white details. It doesn't look as good as I was hoping it would. Eyeliner next. I've drawn on a little web. It's funny that it picked a web because I had spider freckles, but I promise you guys I am not cheating. Let's do a piercing. Okay, this is the best I can do. Last up we got lips. Come on, finish it on a good one. Outlining my lips in black. Who's ready to see the end result? Okay guys, here's the end result. Honest thoughts, what do you think? Is this one a cute or a fail? Thanks for watching.